Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how WebX works. So now this is the dashboard right here, and with WebX you can create any kind of website, sales funnel, e-com store, and different pages. To start with, you click on campaign, and right here you see the list of your created website. You click on new campaign, and you can choose to create campaign from scratch, or you leverage an AI virtual assistant. Next. So now right here you are going to interact with our chat bot with the AI virtual assistant. Yes, you can also use the voice. You can send your prompt using voice. Kindly enter your website name, the pro. Okay. Kindly select the category that best describe your website. You select your category right here. Add. Kindly enter a short description. So you're going to input the description right here, your website description. And as you can see, the AI assistant is asking you to select the color. So we have different colors. You select the one you want to use for your website. Now you can see. So the app is creating the website, and the next step is for you to select your template. We have different templates right here. So I'm going to select this template. You can click here to preview. I'm going to select this. Use template selected successfully. Amazing. Now your website has been created, and the content is automatically generated. The design, the copies, the images, everything is automatically generated for you. So, and you can click here to continue in editor. Amazing. Our website has been created, and you can see the content. The AI automatically generated the content for us, the design, the images, and every other thing right here, and you can easily customize this. Okay, you can see you can change the background color to whatever you want. You can see. Okay, you can change the font size, you can change the content color. Okay, also you can change this image. Amazing. You can change this text. Welcome. Can you see? Hello. So you can do the same thing with other section that we have right here. Great. Also, you can choose to add some other components like these. You can add this. You can drag and drop to anywhere you want, like this. You can add photo gallery. Okay, so you can choose to move this down. Can you see, like this? Okay, so you can customize and add whatever you want. This is for the contact us page. So okay, like this. And once you are done, you click here to save. Okay, you can also click on website settings and change your website name. You can add your own custom domain like this. Okay, you can add your website logo, you can add external script, you can add your display image and others. Okay, you can import website, you can export website as well. You can click here to preview, and also all your websites are mobile responsive, as you can see right here. Okay, so to publish your website, you click here, publish website, and your website is going to be updated successfully. Okay, and you can click here to preview. So this is the website we just created right now using AI assistant. All content designs and others generated for us. Right, so you click here to close. Also, with WebX you can sell e-commerce products, so you can easily manage your product list right here. You can add new product right here. Okay, you can add product categories from here. You can check your order list right here. You can check the coupon, so you can create coupons for your customers, set the expiring date and others. You can also go to the setting page and update your details. You can add autoresponder to your WebX pages. You can add payment gateway, so you can start accepting payment. You can also add Google Analytics. Alright, so with WebX you can create any kind of pages: your e-com page, your sales funnel, your webinar page, report page, download pages, landing pages, and every other page that you want. Okay, WebX is very powerful. All you need is just to input your keyword. Thank you for watching. Bye.